Hello class, this is going to be your walkthrough for week 4, for week 4, sorry, that just made me laugh, and this is going to be where you're starting personality. So let's go ahead and go into the module and I'll walk you through what you're going to be doing this week. Okay, so as always, oops, wow, that was kind of weird. Let me move the box over a little bit. There we go. Now, as you notice, I am in my professor view, so it'll look a little different for you. But in terms of the content, it's going to be mostly the same. So here is our agenda. The video walkthrough you'll see is right there. Make sure, again, that you read through the introduction. It'll kind of give you a feeler for what you're going to be doing this week. This first part of personality, we're going to be taking some assessments that have you look at some different aspects of personality using the True Colors and Animal Styles assessments, okay? The one thing I want to make sure that you understand is that when we talk about personality, it's really important that you watch these lectures because a lot of times students tend to take the assessments and then say the assessments know me completely. Now, maybe it's because I'm a therapist, maybe not, but this is where you really need to use critical thinking because no assessment can completely and accurately assess who you are, okay? So you'll see a lot of questions that ask you what you agree with and what do you not agree with. It's really important that you have something there, that you're using those critical thinking skills. So let's go ahead and go through and see what you're going to be doing this week. So the first thing you're going to see is we're going to be doing chapter 4 of the textbook, and it's pretty short. It's like looking at what do you enjoy studying. It's pretty short. The words of wisdoms are just kind of brief discussions, I would say. Then we have an introduction to personality. And again, like I said, I have some video lectures in here. This is, personality is something that's not in your textbook per se, but it's very, very important, okay? When you're talking, especially when you're talking about career. The first assessment you're going to be taking is, again, the Focus to Career Personality Assessment. And it's just like all the other ones you're going to be taking. Remember, you're going to be taking the assessment. Then you're going to create the PDF or do a screenshot of your results. Then you're going to apply your results using the same questions. So the questions are going to be pretty much the same for all the Focus to Career assessments. Next, you're going to be doing a discussion on imposter syndrome. And again, your post, remember, is due on Saturday. And then your peer replies are due on Sunday. And there's, it's pretty straightforward, this one. You're going to watch a couple videos, then you're going to answer the questions, okay? And let's see if this goes all the way down. There it does. And then the animal types and True Colors assessments. So again, this is where I'm going to be talking to you about what they are, some little notes on them, and then there's a video lecture as well where I talk about some of the ways they came about. Both of them were used in the world of business a lot. Okay. Then you have the lecture activity week 4. That's the animal colors. The animal and the animal type and True Colors assessments. And again, there's directions there. And then this is the link that will take you in for the True Colors, and this is the link that will take you to the Animal Styles. And these are both downloadable PDFs. I haven't found a really easy to use online version of these assessments, so unfortunately you have a PDF where you have to download and take the assessment. Alright, I mean, you could do them by hand if you want. You also have some extra credit here. You'll notice the extra credit, I have it due at the end of the module. So that wouldn't be due this week, it would be due next week. And this is what color is your animal. And you'll see this is kind of a little fun activity, okay? Next, oh, that's it. Whoa, that was pretty quick, right? Let me go back home. Okay, and that's all you're going to be doing this week. I hope you have a good one and you start to, students really usually like the personality assessments and this module, so enjoy and take your time and remember to use those critical thinking skills.